Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here, one of the most affordable smartwatch in the market. We have, let us say, it is an upgraded Y68 smartwatch. So what we have here is the Y68, or short for, or just call it the Macaron Smartwatch. Okay, Y68. Okay, the name on the shopping site for this one is Y68 D20 Macaron Smartwatch. So we have here, in our arsenal, and of course we're going to check it out. Okay, so available color here, options are white, yellow, black, and blue. Okay, so what are the features we have here? Okay, the heart rate, calories, blood oxygen, pedometer, and message function. Okay, so aside from this one, white, black, blue, and yellow, we also have here. So there's a lot of color options: gray, pink, dark blue, and green. Okay, so let's have the unboxing of this wearable. Okay, let's check it out. So what we have here is the yellow color. Okay, so let's check. Remove it from the box. Okay, so if you want to know the support app for this one, again, so this is a Y68 smartwatch. Of course, it is using the very simple, easy to connect Fit Pro support app. So we have here the user manual. Okay, very simple user manual, very familiar, similar to the Y68 user manual. And we have here the strap. We have the yellow color. Okay, so bright pastel like color. Okay, and we have here the device. So we already activated this, so we can check the contents. So let's remove the plastic here. Okay, the protective layer plastic. So similar, it has a similar design to the Y68 smartwatch. Okay, again, watch out for our comparison with this one. Okay, to your Y68 smartwatch. So for the specs, let's check. Okay, so we have, so this is an ABS material here. Okay, it's a D20 Y68 smartwatch. It has a 1.3. Okay, let me show it to you. It has a 1.3 inch TFT LCD, 240 by 240 pixel resolution, 150 mAh battery. Okay, with 7 to 10 days of standby time, 2 to 5 days of usage. Again, for the charging mechanism or method, we have a direct USB charging. Okay, just remove the strap and you can charge it right away. So we have here the different features here. We have pedometer, social entertainment, intelligent reminder, remote self-timer, health monitoring, information push, motion tracking, sleep analysis, and more. It is available in different languages. So let's try to attach the strap here. Here's the USB connector. Okay, that's it. And easy to attach strap. Okay, looks good. Okay, so let's try to wear it so we can see the wearable in action. Okay, so that's your Y68 D20 Macaron Smartwatch. It looks cool, it looks hip, much better, the color is much better, a very huge improvement over the previous D20 Y68 smartwatch. So let's check on the menus. Okay, so again, it's still a touch button key. Okay, something's wrong with the display. Let's check. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, just a little bit of dirt. Okay, so we have here, okay, let's have a closer look, the watch face. Tap on the display screen here, the touch button key, and we have here the automatic step counter with calorie and distance. So we have here the health monitoring. So it includes the heart rate, okay, the blood pressure, as well as the blood oxygen monitoring. We have the sports, long press, and you're going to check on additional menus for the sports. We have running here or walking, skipping rope, sit up. So still the same with the Y68. And next one we have message notifications, music control. And for the settings, we have additional features here. We have the sleep function, weather, camera remote control. We have anti-lost, reset. We have the QR code for the support app. And of course, we have here the power off button. And of course, the name of or the model of your smartwatch. LT716. Okay, let's power down. Okay, long press. Fit Pro smartwatch. Okay, so let's check for this one, for the heart rate. Let's check if it's working. Okay, so let's try and see if it's going to show a result. Okay, just wait. Just wait, maybe it's just a few. Okay, so we have here 114/68. We have beats per minute 75 and a 99% blood oxygen. Okay, so seems like it's working. Okay, but for the accuracy, I'm not sure whether it's exact or not. So you have an option to read for the messages. You have the music control here. Okay, so that's the feature for and menus for the Y68 D20 Macaron model smartwatch. So I like the color here, that is much better compared to the previous Y68. For the OS, the same operating system I think for this one, with just a minor difference on the layout of the UI. But overall, still the same wearable, okay? So the improvement for the smartwatch is more on the design of the smartwatch. The color, I mean. As you can see here, let's have a closer look. Beautiful pastel-like color. Okay, it's the Macaron Smartwatch. Okay, so very affordable. If you want to, this is an entry-level smartwatch. If you want to buy one for your kids, okay, it's a good one. Okay, so for teens, an entry-level affordable smartwatch, the Macaron. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Goodbye.